how you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with EnviroScape LA. We're revisiting a project from many years ago. If you notice this black fabric that is underneath me here, it's a geotextile. It's a landscape fabric that prevents weed growth. Underneath this, or previously where this black fabric is now, there was a ground cover called Kurapia. Well, Kurapia about 7-8 years old, had weeds coming through it. The weeds had kind of overrun the garden, didn't do a very good job of removing the weeds there. So the homeowner went from low water usage with Kurapia to removing the drip irrigation that was underneath, and now we're doing no water usage underneath it. So we eliminated the drip irrigation underneath. We then covered the bare soil with this geotextile to prevent weeds from growing. We're going to install some gravel. We have some nice sized boulders here, kind of a meandering boulder area, possibly creek bed will be coming through here shortly. So these are just the steps. When you remove a ground cover and you're going to do gravel, always apply a geotextile. It will allow water to go ahead and percolate through, but it will not allow weeds to go ahead and germinate from the soil above.